Hello there, my name is Obi Brown, and this is a very short introduction to StudyLab. StudyLab is a software developed by Insight Africa Consulting, and we have developed this software. This is specifically for maths. It's a software that helps to prepare students that hope to write mathematics in WAEC and JAMB. And so it's a preparation software as opposed to just a practice software. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to plug in a USB flash drive. Alright, and when I do that, it auto runs, and then I can select the software to start. And so it comes in two modes. One is a tutorial mode and the other is a practice mode. The difference is that the tutorial mode, we've packaged all the questions that are in the essay part of WAEC. The practice mode has all the questions that are in the objective part of both WAEC and JAMB. So basically, we are in the tutorial mode, and all the questions that are in the essay part of WAEC, we have categorized them here according to their sections in the curriculum, and then in each section you'll find the different topics. So the very first question is in numbers and numerations, and fractions, decimals, and approximations. And this is a typical question, the very first question. This question is taken from question 1A, WAEC 2006. So each question has a solution, all right, and then a video.
Question number 1, 2006 WAEC says we should simplify 4 number 2 all over 9 minus 1 whole number 13 all over 15, all divided by 21 all over 5 plus.
So let's say we want to choose a section. Let's take algebra for instance. So we've selected algebra, and the first subtopic that appears is simple operations, under which we have this simultaneous equation. You can see that there are 12 questions under this subtopic, and this first one is from question 2A, WAEC 2004. So the assumption is that the student in this mode will take a piece of paper and attempt the question. Alright, and when he does attempt the question, he or she can go through the solution, see what the solution looks like, and then or go through the video.
Question number 2A. In the simultaneous equation, px plus qy is equal to 5 and qx plus py is equal to minus 10. We are given that p and q are constants. Constants that we need to find. And the values of x and y are given. So straight away, the first equation is px plus qy is equal to 5. But we are given x and y is equal to minus.
Alright, so let's stop it here.
The value of x is...
we also have the tutorial, the practice mode, where the student will have access to all the past questions in JAMB and WAEC, specifically in maths, because this software deals with maths only. Or the student could decide to pick a section that he wants to improve his competence in, like numbers and numerations, algebra, all the way to calculus, since we're dealing with JAMB and WAEC. Okay, so let's say that the student picks 2013 JAMB. He can time himself, or she can time herself, and then we'll begin. Alright, so the questions begin to appear, and then the student will try to solve the question, keep going until it's finished. Meanwhile, there's a timer counting down, which you can pause in case he needs to go do something and come back. And then let's submit. So we've submitted, and what we find is that StudyLab has graded the students, giving the student a score, based on the different sections. So we could easily see from the remarks what the student's competence is, based on the different sections. The student could now go to any of the questions, all right, and then easily see what the right answer is, right? See the solution, and then see the video.
Says evaluate 1.25 times 0.025 all over 0.05 correct to one decimal place. This is the simple as 1.25 times 0.025 divided by 0.05. This is the simple as 125 times 10 to the power minus 2 times 25 times 10 to the power minus 3 all over.
All right, so in a nutshell, that is StudyLab. Thank you very much.
Minus 2.